Hey, it's Lars Hauwert, and today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to find winning furniture products to sell online in your furniture store. So you don't need to waste ad spend on losing furniture products that are not going to sell, right? So if you don't know who I am yet, I've built my own online furniture store, Nancy Home Store, to around 8 million euros in sales. And now I'm helping other furniture stores to do the same thing. So here is the Grow Your Furniture Store Furniture Validator. So first of all, welcome to finding your winning furniture products to sell online. This resource will step by step show you exactly how to find furniture that sells well online. So it's really important that we get this right. This will feed into all of the other marketing campaigns that we're going to set up, right? So I will include a link to this document in the description. So feel free to go there, make a copy so you can use this. So the Grow Your Furniture Store 4 pillars are first of all uniqueness, then secondly the price of the products, thirdly the pictures that we have available for our products, and then fourthly the delivery time of the furniture. So, simply put, a winning furniture product is a furniture model which competitors aren't offering, a furniture piece offered for a lower price than our competition offers it for, a furniture piece offered with better quality pictures than the competition, and fourthly, a furniture piece offered with shorter delivery time than the competition. So, the goal is to have as many of these 4 elements in our furniture piece as possible. So, how do we actually validate these 4 pillars for a certain furniture piece that we want to start selling? So, first of all, the unique model factor is simply if a model that we are offering that our competition is not offering yet. So I will provide a real life example in a bit, but that's the gist of it. So the model that we have isn't being offered by anyone else. Then secondly, the price, which is pretty obvious, a lower price than our competition is generally advantageous uh, to increase conversions, to have an edge on our competition. If our price is higher than the competition, then of course people are going to go to the competition. It's just that simple. Then thirdly, the pictures, which we have a couple different picture styles, which will give us an advantage if we have them, right? So first of all, the aspect of the quality is quite straightforward, at least 1080 by 1080 pixels. Then we need to have white background pictures of the product as well as lifestyle pictures, right? So basically both are needed for people to be able to visualize having this piece in their house. Then also detailed pictures, which are less important than the first two, but also detailed pictures. I will show an example in a bit. That's like a zoomed in image of the furniture is also very advantageous to have, as well as diagrams displaying certain qualities about the furniture. So that's that. I'll also show an example of that. Then the delivery time. Of course, this also depends on the competition, right? If all of our competition is shipping out the furniture within 2 weeks, then having 2 weeks delivery time is also kind of a must. But generally, these are the guidelines for selling furniture online. Less than 2 weeks is great, that's amazing. 2 to 8 weeks is still good. People are definitely good with that. 8 to 15 weeks starts to become a bit less attractive to people, so that it's still fine. Like, we do have plenty of clients that sell furniture with a delivery time between 8 to 15 weeks and even 15 plus weeks. Some clients have, but yeah, the shorter the better, obviously. Then we have an example of validation here, which in this case I took the example of this standing desk. So let's say we're considering selling the below standing desk. how do we actually determine if this will sell well in our online store, or if it's going to be a bomb and like we're gonna waste ad spend on this, we're gonna waste time on actually listing this in our store. So these are the specs. So the price is 339 euros. Delivery time is 5 business days, and these are the available pictures. So we have a white background image, we have a lifestyle image, we have a diagram showing the dimensions. I generally like to have a couple more of each, a couple more white background images, a couple more lifestyle images, a couple diagrams, and this is a detailed picture, which is also great. So generally I like to have a bit more to play with, but it's good that we have all 4 different types. And also all these images are very high quality, by the way, so that's also taken care of. So the validation methods that we have here are, firstly, we analyze the Google shopping results. So we're going to search for the exact product on Google in the market that we're going to sell it in. So in this case, I searched for it in the Netherlands, and we're going to look at the shopping results. So then we're going to compare the 4 pillars that I outlined above to compare our product with the competition in the shopping results. So firstly, is it a unique model or not? So is this a model that my competition in Google Shopping is offering already or not? Now here we don't see the exact model that we have, because this color is different. The whole kind of, yeah, just the model, the shape, everything is different about this compared to the competition we can see here. Now, of course, if you're actually going to do research, then go through all the shopping results here. You can press on this arrow and go through everything, as well as on the shopping tab you can find more shopping results. So that is for you to compare and see if the model is already available. If it's not, then you can cross it like this. Then you know, okay, this criteria has been checked. Secondly, a lower price than the competition. Now we can see here some of them are similar price, some of them are a bit lower, like this one is only 180, but then there's also one here of 600, there's one of 489, this one's 898, while we are going to offer this one for 339. So I would say in general it is the same or lower than our competition. Like, it's not lower than everyone, but looking at this or this model compared to ours, and this is not even a stand-up desk, but this one looks definitely cheaper than the model that we're offering here. So I would say in this case it is definitely price competitive. Then the pictures, which in this case we have to press on all the different competition products and compare their product pictures with our product pictures. So if that applies, then we can check that one. Then fourthly, shorter delivery time than the competition, which we would also do the same thing. We go to all the websites, compare the different delivery times with our delivery time. But in this case, our delivery time was 5 business days. So I would be surprised if we're not going to be matching the competition or be faster than our competition. So this is the first validation method. To be clear, we don't need all the 4 pillars to be there. Like, ideally all the 4 pillars are in place. Let's say we do have a unique model and it is price competitive, but our pictures are a bit less good than our competition, then it's fine to test it out. We're just trying all the different factors to be there as much as possible. Or let's say we have a really unique model that looks very premium, we have way better pictures and we have a better delivery time than the competition, but the price is just twice as high. I've seen that work as well. Like, I've seen it work tremendously well. So that's the first validation method, going through Google Shopping results. Secondly, what we can do is analyze e-commerce marketplaces, which are places like Amazon, Wayfair, Walmart. So in this case, I analyzed Amazon, which we can see has a lot of reviews on these standing desks. So that's a good thing. I did see that some similar models like this one are cheaper than the model that we're offering. So while it's still quite a comparable model, so that's a bit less advantageous. But for example, this one is almost 500 euros again. And you can see this one, the more expensive one, also is getting bought a ton. Like this one, 650 reviews, means it's probably been bought at least like 6,000 times. So basically the demand, I would say, is there for this particular model. Then thirdly, analyzing Google search volume, which is a combined search volume of 10,000 that we're looking for per month. So in this case, when you look for standing desk, you see it already this term has 201,000 monthly searches. So what I mean with combined search volume is all the different related search terms volume combined should be at least 10,000 a month. So this criterion definitely has been checked. Then analyzing Google Trends is always good to do. Analyzing that will just tell us about what the market is doing in general when it comes to this product, if people are searching for this compared to other periods. So anything but a downtrend over the past year is generally good. So in this case, in the standing desk case, it is very stable. Of course, there are up and downs. With Q4, it's probably going up, and then after that, it's going down a bit. And during the summer, it's going down. But yeah, the past couple of years, it's been very, very stable. So no need to worry about this at all. There's some products like patio furniture that's definitely got a lot of seasonality in there. So that's something to keep in mind before starting to offer a product. So yeah, that's the entire validator. Again, I will share the link in the description so you can go ahead and access this. So whenever you have a new product that you want to start offering, you can go through this exact step-by-step validation process to get an as accurate picture as possible on if this product is going to sell or not. And spoiler alert for you, this product has sold very well. I've sold this exact product myself many times. Like for this particular supplier, we've sold millions in furniture. So that's a quick hack right there. If you want to start offering this product, it will probably sell well. So I hope that was useful for you. By the way, there's a link in the description where you can find out more about how we help furniture stores to grow their online sales. I really don't care if you click it or not, to be honest. I just hope you got a tremendous amount of value out of this video and that you're going to get more value out of this resource. That's my main goal here, but if you would like to know more about that, feel free to check out the description. Also, if you want to see more content like this on how to grow your online furniture sales, feel free to subscribe. I will be posting regularly on this channel. And if you have any questions, feel free to post a comment. I read all the comments myself. So thanks so much for watching. Thanks for your time. Have an amazing day ahead and see you soon. Take care.